Hello and welcome to the special news by the Watchman News. And today we are standing at the Ghazipur border.
Ghazipur Dump is a dumping ground in Ghazipur, Delhi. For years, so much waste have been put here that the dump yard appears to be a mountain.
So the main problem of the waste and the toxic smell in the air is not that heap of waste which you can see right behind me. But the main problem is that this place is but this place is a very huge fish market. So the problem with fish market is that this place makes so much of fumes that it becomes intolerable, highly intolerable. Like for example, if you are in a fish market, in a small fish market, you can assume the smell which you can see. But the real thing is that this place is a very very big fish market, and right is so much dirty that it becomes miserable standing in here. But as you can see right here, that the youngsters of the nation, they have found a way to entertain themselves. They are playing cricket for their entertainment. They seem to not care about the environment right here and the toxicity and the health problems which they can face in future. Brother, एक सेकंड आना. क्या नाम है दोस्त आपका?
मजहारुल्लाह.
हाँ,
मजहारुल्लाह.
मज़ारुल्लाह. तो मेरे साथ अभी मज़ारुल्लाह हैं. आपकी उम्र क्या है?
17 साल.
17 साल. आप इधर गाजीपुर में कितने टाइम से हो?
2 साल.
2 साल. तो ये बताओ, 2 साल में आपको लगा है कि आपकी तबीयत खराब हो रही है, या फिर ये आसपास की जो गंदगी है इसमें थोड़ा लगा हो? कुछ नहीं लगा. तो आप 17 साल के, आप करते क्या हो मज़ारुल?
मछली काम करते.
तो आप देख सकते हो कि 17 साल जैसे कि मज़ारुल जैसे कितने सारे लोग हैं जो मछली कारोबार करते हैं, इधर गाजीपुर में आए हैं, बहुत दूर दूर जगह से आए हैं. As you can see right here that these youngsters seem to just play for their entertainment. They seem to not care. And why should they care? They are underage, 17 years. That's the age to study. But what are they doing? They are doing fish business. I don't know why, mostly because of the family issues, but they seem to take entertainment and stuff. But the thing is that if people who are of such a young age, like 17 years, they are in this environment and for 2 years, and they don't know for how long they are going to be in here, they can face so many of health issues and so much of issues that their whole childhood and their upcoming adulthood will be lost forever.
These kids are all from states like Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Bengal. They come to Ghazipur with their guardians to find a living. So, with them, we decided to give a shot to India's favorite sport. When the big dealers in fish and chicken market sell their product and then throw away the other parts such as chicken liver, guts, intestines, and fish bladder, fins, and then the kids like Mujahid comes in role as they segregate these products and resell them in market again. Just as Stephen King said, in right circumstances, anyone might sell anything and live to regret it.
So right now in front of me you can see that they are playing poker, and these are the fishermen who own a shop or do fish business right here, and to entertain themselves they ignore the fact that they are sitting right in front of such a huge pile of waste, and they just continue to entertain themselves with poker.
Start.
Right now we are standing in front of some of the fish dealers' home. They live into these houses. These houses, let me show you what they are surrounded with. So first of all, they are surrounded by the obvious of our issue, the biggest dump yard of Ghazipur, and the birds, the eagles, the seagulls, which are here to snatch food. And as you can see right here that there are a whole lot of eagles right here, and I have seen many small children right here. These eagles are most of the savage of birds. They can snatch off the piece of flesh from your body. And the most of the important thing, the air is polluted. The air is so much of polluted, and the thing is that they are eating the food which have been collected from the dump ground, and this thing is very very sick. So the people who are living right in here, my message to them will be that please relocate your house as soon as possible, because this will injure your health and you very, very much, and the younger generation. As we walked outside the fish market, fish mandi, we saw some of the few shops right in here. We saw few food shops right in here. 14 years of the age, and they are just ignoring the fact that the fritters right in front of the garbage, and I missed the whole garbage around them. They don't care, they don't seem to care, they are just 14 years old. But it is our responsibility and it is government's responsibility to guide them, to tell them about what's health, to show them what's health safety they should care of. Recently, during the corona pandemic, India seemed to have low mortuary rate, low rate of dying people. Why? Because the environment, you can see such a difficult environment in here. People have grew so much stronger that corona virus can't infect them, because they are living into several viruses every day. They are just. It is your love and support which drives the Watchmen to go to the places in which other news channels and other news reporters won't dare to go. So thank you for your support. Keep supporting us, and we will bring the uncovered truth every time in front of you. Thank you.